My job requires me to work from home or use my personal vehicle or tools for the purpose of work. Can I claim that as an expense on my tax return? Let's talk about it. So, these things fall under employment expenses. These are expenses that you can deduct being an employee of a company on your tax return. So, the first thing which is important is that your work from home or using your own tools or stationery or using your own vehicle, for example, is a requirement as part of your agreement with your employer. So, in that case, the employer must sign a Form T2200, which basically allows you to deduct the expenses that are related to work that you need to expense on to be able to perform that work for your employer, and where your employer does not reimburse any funds for that purpose. If your employer reimburses anything for you, such as, let's say, paid for fuel or has purchased tools, then you cannot deduct that. So basically, those are reimbursed costs. How do you deduct that? You need to fill out a Form T777 to deduct that particular expense on your tax return from your income. Again, the core requirement is that the employer has not reimbursed you and has provided you a Form 2200 that specifically suggests that you have made some expenses to perform the tasks under your employment and contract. An important factor to remember is that commuting, let's say going from home to work and work from home, is not counted in vehicle expenses. If you like this video, follow along for more. And if you have any further questions, drop me a comment or DM if you have a specific question related to your specific situation. I'd be more than happy to help. See you in the next one.